Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have another awesome case unboxing, but before we get started with that, I do want to mention I am giving away this Hot Wheel RLC Custom Camaro on my merch store. So there's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys hop on there, and for every $5 you spend, you get another entry into this giveaway. Like I said, link in the description down below. Go check it out. I have a bunch of really awesome Hot Wheels from Hot Wheel Mainline, Premium, Monster Trucks, RLC, a bunch of other collector cars, and all kinds of really cool stuff on there, like automotive themed products. Also, a lot of cars in this case will probably be on there as well, like if I get a lot of duplicates, or just a bunch of other awesome cars that are in great condition that I'm not personally wanting to collect. So let's go ahead, set this aside, and get into it. So we have the Hot Wheel 2024 G case. So you can see it right there. We got the G case, and I'm super excited about this. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm just going to carefully lay it on its side. There we go. And let's go ahead and cut open the seals on this. All right, and right across the top. There we go. And let's go ahead and open this up. And can't really move it too far out of the way at this point because the way my new little table setup is. So let me just kind of move the table over a little bit so it's not taking up the whole frame here. But let me go ahead and start reaching in and pulling out the cars, starting on the top here. See, they're sitting in there kind of weird. All right, so wow, starting off right off the bat, we got some really awesome cars and some damage. But we have the Audi RS e-tron in a really interesting kind of like a greenish kind of color. Then we have a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, and then the Jaguar MK1, which that one does have a little bit of damage on the bottom. So I might actually end up opening this and putting it on my 6-lane raceway. If you guys don't know, I do Hot Wheel races every single day on the 6-lane raceway, and definitely want to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all those YouTube shorts. But next up we have the Runaway Rescue, the Hirohara Merc, I'm not really sure how to say that, and the Tesla Model Y. And the Tesla also has some damage there on that bottom edge. So I really hope all the cars aren't going to be damaged, because that would be very disappointing. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we got the Rapid Pulse, Batmobile, and the Hot Wheel 450F motorcycle. Next three. Oh, okay, we got something I'm really excited about. Did see it in the previous case, but the Porsche 911 keychain. And if you guys don't know, it's actually a solid kind of metal car with a metal bottom. And you can kind of see it right there, the special feature. It is an actual keychain, and it's modeled after a Porsche 911. And it even says Porsche down the side on one side, and the other side says Hot Wheels. We also have the Punk Rod and the 94 Audi Avant RS2. Alright. Oh, okay, so we got the 68 Dodge Dart, which looks pretty cool. Got a Mighty K in a cool new color, and the Mazda AutoZam, and man, this case did not, like, look how big that crease is across the bottom. A lot of these cars took a lot of damage, so that's actually too bad. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the next cars. I really hope that they're all not like damaged, because this case has some pretty cool cars. But we have a Shark Bite in a cool new color, Nissan Patrol Custom, and the 52 Chevy. That one actually looks really cool. It does have like some dinged up corners as well, which is a little too bad. And it's crazy because the box actually looks like it's in great condition, but the Hot Wheels themselves are like pretty beat up inside. So I don't know what happened, if that's a packing and shipping, or if maybe it was dropped and just didn't damage the box. But next up we have the 5-alarm, a Ford Performance Supervan 4, and a new color on the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, now in black with red. Alright, next up we got the Custom Auto, the Zinger 21C, and the El Segundo Coupe. That's actually a new color on that too. Ooh, okay. So we got a Ford GT40 with that nice dark blue. We did see that in the previous case. But we have the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor HKS. We did see that in black with HKS design, and now it's like a dark blue with the HKS on there. So that looks really cool. And then we also have the Drift and Brake. Alright, we got a new color on the Hot Wheel Braille Racer, now in like this cool green color. The BMW M3 Wagon, which I was actually really excited about that as well. And the Mod Speeder. And I kind of hope this BMW is actually in great condition. And if we get a duplicate on that, this one will be available on my merch store. So definitely keep an eye out for that. So hopefully we get a duplicate on that one, so one of you guys can have a chance to pick one up. That is really interesting. We have the Dragon Blaster, which actually has like big wings sticking up off of it. That's kind of cool. Batmobile and the Brick and Motor. And the final three for the first half of the case, we have the Fiat 500e in a really nice blue, the 71 El Camino, and the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. Alright, so that was the first half of the case. Let's go ahead and pull out the divider here, set that aside, and go ahead and start with the second half of the case. Let's see here. These are sitting kind of weird, so I don't know if the packages... Let's take two of them out real quick and then go ahead and grab the third one. One of these cards is already damaged, and you can kind of see it on the card, so hopefully it's nothing... Oh, okay, whoa. Alright, so this is like actually a great grab right here. So we got the Volkswagen T2 pickup in a new color, and I think that looks absolutely amazing. We have the 1994 Audi Avant RS2, but we have the regular treasure hunt. So that's the Dragon Wagon, and you guys can kind of see, let me see where it's at. Right behind the front tire, you can kind of see the treasure hunt logo right there. And then let me kind of get the car upside down. You see the treasure hunt logo there behind the car as well. So we have seen this previously in blue, and then obviously red was like the original color, but now we got it as a treasure hunt. So honestly, I'm really excited about that. The package on this one's actually really, really nice. So I am very happy about that. Let me just set that aside. And one of these I did see, so the Audi does have some damage on the card. It's got a crease kind of going across, which is only on the back, and it is behind the blister pack. So I'm wondering if the crease happened in the package before it got packaged up. So that's kind of weird. All right, next three cars. So we have the Trouble Decker, another Audi RS e-tron GT, and the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser in a cool new color. It's like a dark maroon. I really like that. All right. Ooh, okay. So I'm really excited. We got the Pterotractyl, but we have the Nissan Skyline RS. It's the R30. We did just see this in purple, and now we got it in green with some red accents. I think that looks really awesome. We also have the 72 Stingray convertible in red. All right. Ooh, okay. Another great one I've been looking forward to. We got the Porsche 911 Carrera RS2 in red. We did see that before in white, yellow, and orange. We got another Batmobile and another Zinger 21C. All right. So we got another Drift and Brake, Custom Auto, and Mod Speeder. Man, I'm really hoping we can get that Super Treasure Hunt. Let's see. Oh, that would have actually been the Super, but unfortunately we did not get the Super. We got the regular version of it sitting in here, but it's the Audi 90 Quattro, and I know that's one that everybody's excited about. But still, that car looks really awesome as it is. And unfortunately, it's not the Super, but still looks pretty epic. We also have the Ford Performance Supervan 4 And another BMW M3 wagon. The card on this one's actually damaged. So luckily for you guys, this one is going to be opened up, put on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I'll be able to race that, make some videos out of it. But the other one, that means it will be on my merch store. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. As of right now, I only have one that's going to be on there. So definitely first come, first serve. Go check it out. Alright, we have another Jaguar MK1. A supercharged. And a Hirawata Merc. Let's see what else we're going to get in this case. Alright. So we have a Humvee and a dark blue. Another Tesla Model Y. And we got another Porsche 911 Carrera keychain. Getting close to the end. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, so we have, dang, that's too bad. 2015 Dodge Charger SRT, another Mazda AutoZam, and a 70 Plymouth Barracuda. And that one, like the whole card, you can kind of see as that angle. There's a giant crease going like all the way across the card. So that is really unfortunate on that. And still have some more here. Oh, okay, so we got the Rapid Pulse Heavy Hitcher. And we have a minecart from Minecraft, and it's actually the 15th anniversary, so there's that right there. And boom, we did previously see this in a couple different colors before, and I really like this one. I do have one on my 6-lane raceway. The package on this is actually really nice. So before I collect one, I'm probably actually going to put this on my merch store as well. And you guys can hop on there, first come, first serve, and I'll just find one maybe when I go to the stores. I do want to open one and put it on my 6-lane raceway, but I don't want to open like a perfect condition one because like some people like to collect those. I love to collect like unopened Hot Wheels, but for that one I want to collect one open to be able to actually race it on the track, so that'd be pretty cool. And we have a new color on the Honda Civic Si. We have it in white, has that carbon fiber hood on there. We have the Lolux in the new color and the Punk Rod. We did previously see that Civic Si with the same kind of color, or the same like design with the carbon fiber hood. It was in the gold color, so a lot of people love that. But the final 3 cars for this case, and we have Ford GT40, Nissan Patrol Custom, and a 71 El Camino. So, wow, that case was absolutely awesome. We had some really cool cars in that, and honestly, like the Civic, like I'm really excited about that one as well. That actually will probably be on my merch store as well. So like I said, link in the description down below. You guys hop on there. You guys can get entered into this giveaway. And whoever wins this car, no charge to you. I'm going to mail it out. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video, definitely get on, hit that like button down below. I do have a lot more case unboxings coming soon and a lot more other cases. So definitely stay tuned. I do videos all the time with unboxing Hot Wheels, racing Hot Wheels, all kinds of cool, awesome Hot Wheels stuff. And you can even see over here, I have some mega Hot Wheels collab vehicles that are really cool. But definitely, if you like the video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.